Hi guys, welcome to EHS Academy. Nothing, just looking after some new subject, aerospace safety, or you can call it aircraft or aviation safety. So this particular video is going to be very special for you guys because in this video I'll be sharing you three things. Because generally, first of all, let's start with general. From last 1 month, no videos, no updates, no safety pulse and all. Okay, so just moved from one different industry to another one. Means there is a change in the business vertical. So I will be sharing with you why I was studying that particular aerospace safety. See, okay, as well as I'll be giving you the room tour of mine also, like how's my room, how I shoot my videos. Third, okay, because in the previous videos I got some comments from some I think interested peoples are there, those who want to start safety study channel and want to shoot like that. So three queries are gonna be solved, as well as this video will be entertaining. Totally nothing about safety I'm gonna tell in this video, just introductory things. Okay, so let's start with the room tour. We'll give you a sneak peek of the room, like how it is, how I shoot my videos and all. Okay, and in the last I'll be telling you why I was studying that aviation and aerospace safety. So let's start with the room tour. Come with me. So guys, this is the room where nowadays I'm staying. So this one is mine bed, this particular bed, and this one is the another person, but now no one is there, so I'm utilizing both the beds. Here one refrigerator is there which we don't use now. Two tables are available, so this is the table which I utilize basically for shooting my videos. That is the like green screen that you can see that I cover generally when I was shooting my videos, and turn off the fan during that. Okay, after covering that, the next procedure I will be explaining you in the upcoming videos. And this is the tripod which I used to generally mount this location and put that into the tilt format when I was doing the live stream, and in the front format when I was shooting my videos. And this is the luggage where generally I'm storing my all the things, and this is the travel bag. That's it. That is the like just a small room where nowadays I'm staying. I hope you like it. Okay, fine. I hope you found this room a bit good. That's not a very fancy room, but it's a very common room. Okay, so now let's come to first of all how I shoot my videos, and after that I'll be sharing you something about this particular document, why I was reading that. So see guys, the setup is very simple. You don't need to do anything. You should have one laptop. If you don't have laptop, you should have two smartphones if you want to shoot like that. Now what you want to do simply is, you can see my backside how it is looking. Okay, what you want to do is simply you need to take this green screen. It is a very like simple green cloth. Okay, you need to cover it by back and ensure that the lighting is very proper. Your lighting should be coming in your face. Your face should be very lit. Okay, now secondly, the particular green cloth should be very lit, because if it is not very lit means you cannot edit your videos. Okay, make sure that. Now once you have done that, it will be easy for you to cut the chroma. You need to do two things. First of all, where I am telling to you, like in front of me one mobile camera is there. That particular mobile camera is recording me and my green screen. Secondly, the laptop in which I am sitting in front of that, this is recording the thing that is going on in my background. Generally you saw a lot of things like screens are moving and something is happening. So this is because that particular screen which I'm utilizing. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to make two layers. If you want to know the editing part, kindly let me know. One part will be coming from your mobile, secondary part will be coming from your system. You just need to merge them, not a merge. You need to put first layer of your green screen, second layer of yours, and enable the chroma key. Simply it will edit. The good the light, the better it will edit. Make sure that. And the mic, you need to connect with your mobile. Okay, it may be Voya mic or any sort of mic. So this is how you can shoot these sort of videos. And as well as if you are getting some problems in that, no, kindly let me know. Drop a small message in Instagram. I'll try to help you and get out from this particular problem. All right, room tour is completed. How I shoot my videos, that also completed. And third, now let's talk about this document, why I was studying that. Actually now today I was studying something about the major components of aircraft, general civil aviation aircraft. So guys, recently I have joined, as I told you initially, that I was previously working in a smart city project. Okay, so now that project is almost finished. So I've just switched to another business vertical of my company in which I'm working, that you already know. So this particular business deals with the airport business. Like we provide a lot of systems to the airports, like aeronautical. ground lighting as well as ATC control systems. A lot of systems are available there. So this is about the business that we operate in airports. So guys, this was the end of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to HS Academy, because this sort of informative videos you will be getting in the near future. Till then, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.